If you feel like your Sony TV's performance isn't quite as fast as it used to be, here's a few quick and easy things you can try that might improve your TV's performance. First up, perform a full restart. Normally, when you press the power button on your Sony TV remote, you're actually just putting your TV on standby. Fully restarting your TV every now and again can help with a lot of issues, but it can also help with performance. To fully restart your TV, press and hold the power button on your remote for 5 seconds and then press restart when prompted to fully switch off and switch on your Sony TV. Next, update your Sony TV. Updates for your Sony TV generally come with a wide variety of improvements. Sometimes these can be security improvements, but they can also be performance improvements. You can check if there's an update available by navigating to Settings, System, About, Update. If for any reason your TV is not connected to the internet and you still want to update, there's a link in the description to another video all about updating your TV with a USB stick. Next up, clearing your cached data. Your TV will cache data through regular use to help your apps and services run more smoothly. But over time, this can build up and take up a bit of space on your TV's internal memory. So you can clear this data to free up some memory and potentially improve your TV's performance by navigating to Settings, System, Storage, Cached Data. And finally, you can try a full factory reset. If all else fails, you can always try a full factory reset on your Sony TV to get your TV back onto a completely clean slate. If you do a full factory reset though, and you have any files uploaded to your TV that you can't lose, you should back up these files before doing a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you want to navigate to Settings, System, About, Reset. That's about all the time we have for this video, but if you have any more questions about your Sony TV, you can always visit the Sony support website for more information. Thank you for watching.